sleep. I'm so scared to get out of bed right now. You know, like weird stuff like this steps and creaks. So one just woke me up. I stepped on my computer for editing, but in my house I was hearing strange noises.
Turn off that light!
So yeah, guys, I'll update you. But that's serious. So I'll update you guys later on. If I can have a chance and I don't fall asleep, because I'm ready to fall asleep, so I don't know